Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to put password on Google Drive folder. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Google Drive app right here or the website. And once we are now right here, the next thing that we need to do is to click the new button, which is located on the top left corner. And then after that, click Google Forms right here. And then after that, this will pop up on your screen. So the next thing that we need to do is to go to settings and then make sure that you click make this to quiz and then scroll down until you see presentation. So click this one, and then on the confirmation message, just click edit. And then after that, just change right here. Here is the link of the Google Drive, and then click save. And then after that, go back to the questions and then make sure that you choose multiple choice to a short answer, which is right here. And then make sure that you click required. And then after that, click answer key. And then just put the answer or the password of the Google Drive. So let's say, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then click mark all others answers incorrect. Click done. And then just change the question. And then once you're now done with this, the next thing that we need to do is to click preview so we can check the password. So I'm just gonna type my password right here. And then after that, you will now see the Google link of the Google Drive. So you're also going to paste it under this text right here. And once you do that, you are now good to go. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.